In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit homepage in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, move into Salesforce and go to the top right corner of the screen where the Quick Settings option is located. Select Quick Settings, then continue by choosing Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to the Salesforce Setup area where different customization and page configuration settings are available inside the platform. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the Quick Find search bar on the left side of the screen. Inside the search field, type App Builder. Salesforce will begin showing matching setup options connected to the search term you entered. From the search results, continue by locating Lightning App Builder under the User Interface section. Select Lightning App Builder to open the Page Editor Management area where editable Salesforce pages are displayed. After the Lightning App Builder page loads, continue reviewing the available pages shown on the screen. In this example, the account record page will be edited. Move to the area beside the page name and select Edit. Salesforce will then open the page editor where the selected layout can be modified directly. Once the editor opens, continue reviewing the layout displayed in the center of the screen. On the left side, Salesforce will display the available components that can be added to the page. Continue by reviewing the visible options connected to the editor. You can add different components into the page layout depending on the section you want to change. For example, you can add filters or place additional components into different areas of the page. Continue exploring the component panel shown on the left side of the editor. Salesforce will also display field components that can be added directly into the layout. In this example, the available options include blank space, dynamic highlights panel, field section, and other field-related components connected to the page setup. Continue by selecting the component or field you want to place on the page. For example, you can choose the account number field and place it into the section where you want it to appear inside the layout editor. After making the changes you want, continue reviewing the updated page layout displayed on the screen. Once everything looks correct, move to the top right corner of the editor and select Save. Salesforce will then process the page updates and apply the changes to the selected page configuration. Wait a few moments while the save process finishes and the updated layout is stored successfully. Once the confirmation message appears showing that the changes have been saved, the process for editing the homepage in Salesforce will be completed successfully. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.